In this video, I will share to you about how to make a special curved skin on high-rise building. First of all, we have to make the basic plane of the high-rise with using rotate rectangle. Then we can click from this position and we can type the width of this building around 50 meter. Enter, and we can drag to the behind around 30 meter and enter, and okay. We can push it up to make the thickness around 1 meter. Then we can triple click, right click, make group, and right click and make component, create, and we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can move it up around 3.6 meter, enter. Then we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type x45 and enter, and we can see what the basic shape of high-rise building. And then we can make the core building with using the rectangle. Click from this position until this position, and then we can offset it inside around 8 meter and enter. Okay, and we can move it again to this another position around 3.6 meter, and also this one we can select a move around 3.6 meter, enter. Then we can click for this surface and push it down until this position, and okay, we can triple click, make group, and we can assign the colors. Okay, we can assign the colors with using white material. We can assign with white materials also. Then we can triple click. Okay, we can triple click this one and push it up. Sorry. Okay, we can complete this plane again. Then we can push it up around 5 meter and enter. Okay, then we can delete some unnecessary line over there. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then we can get the basic shape, and now we can make the another element. We can make the column. We can using the rotate rectangle. Click from this position. We can type 1.5 meter, and to the behind 1.5 meter also, and we can push it up. Okay, we can push it up again, push it down and push it up a little bit. We can triple click, make group, and right click and make component, create. We can select a move, and okay, we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and we can click this one and select a move and place to this position, and then we can type 3/ and enter. Okay, and we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Okay, we can select this one and select a move, and we can type around 10 meter, enter. And also this one we can type 10 meter and enter, and we can select this row of the column, and we can move to this position around 7 meter, enter. And also this one, then we can move and type 7 meter. Okay, now we can get the column arrangement. This is just for schematic column arrangement. For the detail one, you have to discuss with your structural engineering. Okay, then we have to push it down until the appropriate position, until this position. Okay, and we can triple click. We have to move it down. Okay, and then we can get the basic shape of this high rise. And now we can make the simple glazing system with using a rectangle. Click from this position until this position. Then we can push it up a little bit. Okay, then we can triple click, make group. Again, then we can activate the high-rise of model. Okay, then we can just get this shape, and we can click this line, select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 30/ and enter. And also we can click this line, we can move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 25/ and enter. I'm sorry, we have to repeat again. Okay, we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 20/ and enter. Okay, and then we can select the glazing. We can use the blue glass, and we can move to the appropriate position. Okay, I'm sorry, we have to scale it. Okay, we can select a move, and we can place to this position, and then we can scale it down until the appropriate position. For example, just like this. Okay, now we can get the result of this high-rise building, and now we can make the another secondary skin, or we have to move okay, scale it up in this position. Anyway, this is a schematic. You have to improve for more the detail, but I concern for the basic shape of this conceptual secondary skin. We can use the rectangle. Rectangle. We can click rectangle and click from this point until this position approximately. Okay, and we can triple click this rectangle, and then we can select move to this position just a little bit. We can give the gap on this position, and then we can select the 2-point arc. We can select the 2-point arc and click from this position till this position. Okay, and we can get the result. And now we can right click and make group, and we can assign the another materials in here. And okay, we can using the rectangle again, click from this position until the another position in here. Okay, for example, then we can triple click. I'm sorry, we have to triple click this plane and select move and place this position, and then we can make the 2-point arc from this point until this point. Okay, then we can triple click, right click and make group, and we can assign the materials of it. Okay, and we can also change the glazing system. Okay, approximately just like this, and okay, it's done. And then we can triple click, and we can offset it inside around 300 millimeter. Oh, sorry, it's too small. We can offset it inside around 1.5 meter. Okay, then we can click this little edge surface. We can select edit, copy, and exit from the group, and we have to edit paste in place, and we have to push it to the front a little bit, make group. Okay, then we can make it group to this glazing secondary skin, and also we can click this surface and offset it inside around 1.5 meter. Then we can click this surface, select edit, copy, exit from the group, and then we have to edit paste in place. Then we have to push it to the front. Okay. We can triple click, make group. Okay, we can get the point, and we can move it to this position. We can make it group first, and we have to move it to this position, and also this one we can move it to the another position. Okay, we can give the little gap from this original glass to the secondary skin glazing. Okay, you can also make the another little canopy in here. You can make the another little canopy in here or in this position. Okay, then we have to push it to the front just a little bit, and we can make the inclination in here. We can make the curve. Okay, then we have to push it to the another side. Okay, this position. Then we can triple click, make group. Then we can make the canopy. We have to click the surface and offset it inside just a little bit, and push it until the limit, and then we can get the proportional canopy. Okay, then we have to make this terrace or hallway. You can triple click, make group, and we have to move, press control. Okay, then we can scale it to the front, and we have to push it down just a little bit. Okay, then we can move this line to the another position, and also this line to the another position, maybe for this position. Okay, and also this one you can move this to this position. Okay, and you can improve for the another canopy in here. Okay, and you can also move this one and duplicate this into this position, and we can right click, flip. We have to mirror with the red axis in here, and we can move to this position and give a little gap. Okay, then we can select all, right click and make group. Okay, and okay, maybe we can make the little logo in here. We can make the little icon in here, and maybe this is about the company icon. Okay, we can scale it down to this position and push it to the front. Okay, we can assume that this is about the company icon in here. Maybe we can offset it inside to make it more not massive. Okay. Okay, and then we can select all again, make group, and select a move, press Ctrl to the another position to make a triple tower in here to make a better presentation. Then we can also activate the shadow in here, and we can also activate the another style. We can using the simple style in here. Okay, we can activate this style. And you can also make the another elements. We can using the base plane in here, and you can draw the freehand tool with using freehand tool to make the another landscaping system in here. So this is just for example to make the landscaping. You have to make the better landscape than this, so you can assign with the landscaping materials. Okay, we can use assign the asphalt. Okay, we can triple click, make group, and we can also assign the component with using component sampler. We can using the tree in here, and we can deactivate the shadow first. We have to assign the materials with using the glass and mirror materials. We can using the green materials. You can select move and press Ctrl and place to this another position. Okay, then we can right click and make group and select move, press Ctrl, and we have to place to this appropriate position, and then we can rotate this one. Okay, we can select move, press Ctrl, and we can rotate this one to the appropriate position. Okay, then we can activate the shadow again, and it's done. You can improve your this basic model to your best version of your own exercise. Thanks for watching. Just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.